Welcome to How to Solve. Today I'm gonna show you how to use Anydesk for beginners. Anydesk is a remote desktop software that allows users to access and control their computers from anywhere, providing a secure and reliable connection. It is commonly used for remote support, online collaboration, and accessing files and applications remotely. So before we start in this tutorial, I will show you the different premium plans offered by Anydesk. So Anydesk offers premium plans with additional features and capabilities. These plans are designed for businesses and individuals who require advanced functionalities and enhanced support. Some of the premium features may include unlimited endpoints, which is a premium plans often allow you to connect to an unlimited number of remote computers or devices. And then custom alias, you can create a personalized for easier identification and connection. You can also do a session recording, so premium users may have the option to record their remote sessions for documentation or training purposes. And next is file transfer, which has enhanced file transfer options, including drag and drop file transfer and synchronized clipboard sharing. Then you can also do a mobile to PC remote control. So premium plans may allow you to control your PC from a mobile device. And lastly is admin features, which has an advanced administrative capabilities such as managing licenses, permissions, and user access. So if you do not wish to subscribe to any of the premium plans, we have here the free account in Anydesk. The free version of Anydesk provides basic remote desktop functionality, allowing you to connect and control remote computers or devices. Here are some key points about the free version. First is you have the limited features. So the free version offers essential features like remote control, file transfer, and access to basic settings. Second is the free version is primarily intended for personal use, such as accessing your home computer from another location or helping friends and family with remote support. Then third, the free version is not licensed for commercial or businesses purposes. So if you are using Anydesk for work or for commercial use, you are required to purchase a premium plan. And lastly, the free version allows one concurrent session at a time, meaning that you can connect to and control one remote device at any given moment. On the other hand, the premium plans offer additional features and benefits that cater to the needs of businesses and professional users. While the specific features and pricing may vary, here are some of the advantages of Anydesk Premium. First is the premium plan often include advanced features such as session recording, remote printing, remote reboot, concurrent sessions, and custom branding. Then second, premium plan allows you to use Anydesk for commercial or business purposes legally. So they typically come with appropriate licensing for professional use. And then third, premium users often receive priority support, ensuring prompt assistance from the Anydesk team in any case of any issues or inquiries. And then lastly, premium plans may offer customization options like personalized aliases and administrative controls and centralized license management for businesses. So let's just download the free version of Anydesk, and on this page you can download Anydesk depending on your devices. So you can download it on Windows, Mac, and many more. And once you're done, here on your home page on Anydesk, you will see your address. So from here, if you want to establish connection with another device, first step is to find the remote desk field. So in the Anydesk window, you will see a field labeled remote desk or remote desk address. And this is where you will enter the address of the remote computer you want to connect to. Next step is to enter the remote address. So there are different types of address that you can use to connect. We have the Anydesk address, which typically looks like a series of numbers separated by dashes. And then we also have aliases. So if the remote user has set up a custom alias in Anydesk, you can enter the alias in the remote desk field instead of the Anydesk address. Or some users may also provide you with an ID number instead of the address. So once you are done entering the remote address, you will just click on connect, and then after that, the remote user will receive a connection request on their end, and they will need to authorize the connection for it to be established. So the remote user may need to click accept or a similar option to grant you access to their mobile or computer. And then once the connection is established and authorized, you will gain remote control of the remote computer, so you can now interact with their desktop as if you were physically present. But take note that since we are currently using the free version account, the features are limited. So you can just do a few features offered by Anydesk and access basic settings. But if you want to explore the additional features and benefits offered by Anydesk, you can start a free trial. So you will just go and click this, and then you will have to register an account. So here, you will just have to provide the reason why you are using Anydesk. So you can just select here what applies to you. And we have here to support family and friends, connect to my personal device privately, work from home, and many more. And then of course, you will have to provide your first name, your last name, and then your email and your password. And then here below, you will just agree with the terms and conditions. And by starting a free trial, it allows you to evaluate the premium features and assess whether they provide value for your specific use case before making a purchasing decision. And don't worry, because you can unsubscribe with a free trial at any time. So after you register an account, you can now log in. And once you're done, here as you can see, here's my profile. And then as you can see, my license is free. And now click on this start trial, and then it will redirect you to this page. Now you can see here, start your free business trial. So a business trial refers to a trial period specifically designed for businesses or organizations. So it allows businesses to evaluate the premium features and functionalities of a software or service before making a purchase decision for their organization. So during a business trial of Anydesk, you can explore the features that are relevant to businesses, such as advanced administrative controls, centralized license management, custom branding options, and enhanced support. So the trial period gives you an opportunity to assess whether Anydesk premium plans meet the requirements and expectations of your business. So here again, you will have to provide your information like your name, your last name, email, telephone, company, your job role, and how you are going to use Anydesk. And then here below, you will just have to agree on the terms and conditions. And once you're done, on your dashboard, it provides an overview of your business account, including important information such as number of licensed users, active connections, and any usage statistics or metrics available. And then you have the user management. So the dashboard may allow you to manage user accounts within your business account. You can add or remove users, assign or revoke permissions, and control access level and restrictions for each user. You also have here permission sets. So the permission sets define what actions and functionalities a user or group can access and control within Anydesk. Then the single on, and then you can also do custom client generators. So it is a feature that allows you to create customized versions of the remote desktop client for your specific needs or branding. So this feature is typically available in business or enterprise plans and allows organizations to tailor the remote desktop experience to their requirements. And next is the client management. So the client management refers to the ability to manage and organize the remote client device or computers that you connect to using Anydesk. So client management features allow you to maintain a structured view of your remote clients and perform various actions related to their access and control. So lastly is the session permission profile. So it refers to a predefined or custom set of permissions and access controls that determine what actions and functionalities are allowed during a remote session. So these profiles help define the level of access and control that a user or group has over the remote desktop session. So there are several advantages to having a business account with Anydesk or similar desktop software. So here are some key benefits. First, it has advanced administrative controls. So a business account typically offers enhanced administrative controls, allowing you to manage and customize the remote desktop environment according to your organization's needs. You can control user access, permissions, and security settings, ensuring compliance and maintaining a secure remote working environment. Second is centralized license management. So with a business account, you can manage licenses centrally, making it easier to track and allocate licenses to your team members. So this simplifies the license management process, ensuring that you have the necessary licenses for your organization and can easily add or remove users as needed. And third is custom branding. So business accounts provide the ability to customize the remote desktop client with your company's branding elements, such as logos and colors. So this helps create a professional and consistent user experience for both your employees and clients. Fourth is dedicated support. Business accounts come with dedicated support channels, providing you with priority access to technical assistance and customer support. You can receive prompt assistance and resolution of any issues or inquiries you may have, ensuring minimal disruption to your operations. And lastly is increased security features. So the business accounts offer advanced security features such as encryption protocols, access control policies, and two-factor authentication options. So these additional security measures help protect sensitive data and prevent unauthorized access to your remote desktop sessions. And these advantages can vary depending on the specific features and capabilities offered by Anydesk or the remote desktop software that you choose. So it is recommended to review the features and benefits specific to Anydesk business account by visiting their official website, reviewing their documentation, or contacting their sales team directly. So that's it for this video, and I hope this video is helpful. Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.